Hi, I'm Annika Bassey, and I'm a junior at the college in Elliott House studying neuroscience with a secondary in computer science.
Hi, I'm Demi Snyder, a sophomore at the college in Lowell House studying applied mathematics with a focus in economics.
Hi, my name is Hayoung. I'm a sophomore in Adams House, and I'm studying economics with a secondary in global health.
And welcome to the homepage of the college project. You can see a nice image here with an introductory little note. You can see a share your story button that sends you to a page that we will elaborate on a little bit later. If you scroll down, you can see a quote from one of the co-founders of the idea behind the college project. And you can see a form where you can subscribe to our email list. Type in your name and your email, like Annika's doing right now, and click subscribe, and you will be subscribed to the email list. And if you go all the way down to the bottom, it's the same on every page of our website. You have a contact us directly feature where you can press email and send us an email. There's a pre-filled subject and to-line, and you can call us by clicking the call button. And that's going to call me because the organization doesn't have a phone number or email associated with it yet. And that's our homepage.
Fantastic. On the Learn More page, you can learn more about discrimination on the basis of race and gender and sexual orientation, and then also more about sexual assault. So we have these three categories, and you can click on these hyperlinks to get taken to a separate page to learn more. On this page, we have a carousel of images that are relevant to this. And again, at the bottom, we have this contact us feature on every single page. And as you can see, that is the case with all three of the types. And next,
Yeah, yeah. So on the donate page, it'll take you to a map, a Google Maps, where you can explore places to donate. You can change it to satellite view or keep it in the map view and zoom in with this button. And then if you click on the different icons, it'll tell you the name of the organization, and you can click on them to visit the organization website. And so you can do that for any of these icons, and the icons are organized based on the type of organization. And then if you scroll down, they also have a list of all the different organizations available to donate to with more information on the organizations, their contact information, address, and a link to their website donate page.
Yeah. And next is the share your story page as we saw on the home page. So again, if you wish, you can input your story, and the only required field is your email, so we can identify the type of discrimination, and then the story itself. You can absolutely remain anonymous if you wish. And here we'll do a test run. And once we submit, it gives a confirmation page, and we'll be able to see that it pops up on the stories page.
Okay, so here's your view stories. If you want to read stories from other college students, this is where you go. You can choose the category discrimination first, and you will see all the stories that fall under that category. But if you want to search a specific story under that category, you can do what Annika just did, which is type in a keyword, and any story that has that keyword or any college name that has that keyword that you type in will pop up. So now she's showing that with all the category, it works the same way, and you can definitely narrow down the stories based on your keywords. And the same for all. We provide a trigger warning for the specific category because the stories are more graphic, but they all work the same with the keywords. And so yeah, that is our college project.